Did you know that a single tablespoon of chia seeds can hold 9 times its weight in water? It's truly fascinating how such a small seed can absorb so much liquid, turning into a gel-like substance. That's right, these tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with incredible health benefits. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various essential minerals. From boosting energy levels to supporting heart health, chia seeds are a true superfood. They can help improve digestion, stabilize blood sugar levels, and even aid in weight loss. But their benefits go beyond the well-known. They also have antioxidant properties that can help fight inflammation and keep your skin looking youthful. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the surprising and lesser-known ways chia seeds can transform your health. From enhancing brain function to promoting bone health, the list is extensive. This isn't just another health fad. We're diving deep into the science behind these tiny but mighty seeds. Researchers are continually discovering new benefits and uses for chia seeds. And stick around till the end for a simple, practical tip to unlock the full potential of chia seeds in your daily diet. Whether you add them to your smoothies, salads, or yogurt, the possibilities are endless. You won't want to miss it. Get ready to transform your health with these tiny but mighty seeds. Sure, you've heard about the fiber and omega-3 in chia seeds, but did you know they pack a surprising punch of antioxidants? These tiny seeds are more than just a trendy superfood, they are a powerhouse of nutrients. These antioxidants fight free radicals, those pesky molecules that accelerate aging and contribute to disease. By neutralizing these harmful agents, chia seeds help keep your skin youthful and your body healthier. Chia seeds are also a surprising source of plant-based calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Just a small serving can contribute significantly to your daily calcium needs. And get this, they contain boron, a trace mineral that aids calcium absorption. Talk about a dynamic duo. This combination ensures that your body can make the most out of the calcium you consume. But it doesn't stop there. Chia seeds can even help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a valuable ally for those managing diabetes or simply looking for sustained energy throughout the day. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can provide a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled and focused. Revered by ancient Aztec warriors for their energizing properties, chia seeds have fueled civilizations for centuries. These tiny seeds were a staple food, providing sustained energy and nourishment. Today, modern science backs up what ancient cultures knew all along: chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Studies have linked chia seed consumption to improved heart health, weight management, and even reduced risk of chronic diseases. The science is clear. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your well-being. Section 4. Unleashing the power of chia, a simple tip. Ready for that simple tip to unlock the full potential of chia seeds? It's simpler than you might think. It's all about maximizing their water absorption properties, which is key to getting the most out of these tiny seeds. Before adding chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal, try soaking them in water or nut milk for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This step is crucial. This creates a gel-like consistency that's easier to digest and allows your body to absorb more nutrients. The gel form is not only beneficial, but also quite versatile. Think of it as activating their superpowers. This simple soaking process can make a big difference. Soaked chia seeds are a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. They can be used in a variety of dishes. Experiment and discover your favorite ways to enjoy their unique texture and countless health benefits. From puddings to smoothies, the possibilities are endless. Section 5. Join the chia revolution. So, there you have it. Tiny seeds with a giant impact. Chia seeds are more than just a trendy health food. They're a sustainable and versatile superfood that can truly transform your health from the inside out. What are your favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds? Share your recipes and experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace a healthier, more vibrant life, one spoonful of chia seeds at a time.